Oh. Oh. Jemmy.
It's because of me. Taller than me.
What are you gonna make your castle?
Yeah.
I'm making castle, okay.
We're making our tunnel castle because we're gonna be on it.
Richard, come on, make your castle. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see you make your castle. Come on.
Good. Oh, you guys are doing a good job.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, Gemma.
Now go see what you made.
Wow.
Yes.
We're on it.
Beautiful. Your castle.
So nice. Hey, there you are.
Uh-oh.
Wow.
Oh, no. Dragon. Oh. Oh.
Gemma, it's
That's
you.
me.
What are you doing?
You built it, then you destroyed it.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, you guys.